against competition. 1. Prohibition of banned substance. Athletes are not allowed to use any performance-enhancing drugs or substance listed on the World Anti-Doping Agency's prohibited list, such as anabolic steroid, stimulants, or growth hormones. 2. Mandatory doping tests. Athletes must undergo random and scheduled doping tests during and outside competition. Refusing or failing to provide a sample is treated as a doping violation. 3. Whereabouts requirements. Elite athletes must submit their location information for out of competition. Testing, failing to provide accurate whereabouts, or missing a test can lead to sanctions. 4. Therapeutic use exemptions. Athletes needing medication that contain banned substance can apply for therapeutic use exemptions, allowing them to use the medication without violation anti-doping rules. 5. Penalties for doping violations. Athletes found guilty of doping can face penalties such as disqualification, suspensions from competition, for forfeiture of titles, and in severe cases, lifetime bans.